Good morning. Let us start our class with a prayer. All of you, join your hands, close your eyes. God, my loving Father, help me to understand my lessons well. God, keep me, my parents, my teachers, and my friends safe in your hands. Thank you, God. We started our first lesson and again I am repeating the lesson because my videos had no sound. So listen all of you. First lesson we learned uses of plants. What we learned? Uses of plants. We use plants in our daily life. Plants are very useful to us. You know, plants give us food to eat. Vegetables we are eating, cereals we are eating, pulses we are eating. Not only food, but also they provide us medicines, wood, and other useful things to us. Okay, let us see how do they useful to us. എങ്ങനെയാണ് പ്ലാന്റ്സ് നമുക്ക് യൂസ്ഫുൾ ആയിരിക്കുന്നതെന്ന് നോക്കാം. ഫസ്റ്റ്, food from plants. What are the food items we are getting plants? At the beginning I told we get pulses, cereals from plants. We eat seeds of some plants like wheat, rice, maize and jowar. These seeds are called cereals. These seeds are called what? Cereals. Maize, rice, wheat. All these are called cereals. Previous time we learned what are cereals. Then next, all grams. Green gram, Bengal gram, black gram, pea, പയറ്, പരിപ്പ്, ഉഴുന്ന്, ഇതെല്ലാം എന്ത് പറയും? Pulses. We get pulses from plants. We get pulses from plants. See here you can see the picture. ചെറുപയറ്, പരിപ്പ്, ഉഴുന്ന്. Okay, all these we can see. Green gram, black gram, Bengal gram, all these we can see in this picture. This also we are using as our food and we get this from plants. Okay, then next, see, seeds of some plants are called pulses like gram and black lentil, ulunna, black lentil we are using. Cereals and pulses are known as food grains. Cereals and pulses are known as food grains. Okay, then next we are getting vegetables. See the vegetables what we are getting from plants. Okay, what are these? Carrot is there, beetroot is there, turnip is there, radish is there. Then vegetables are good for our health. We eat different parts of plants as vegetables and vegetables are very good for our health. So all should have vegetables daily. Daily you should eat vegetables. Don't prefer non-veg, especially during this pandemic season. If you want to fight against COVID-19, you should have lots of vegetables in your food. Then carrot, beetroot, turnip and radish are the roots of the plants. These all are roots of the plants. Okay, carrot, beetroot, turnip and radish are roots of plants. Then we eat underground stems also. Underground stems. Onions, potato, Ginger, what? Ginger. Inji. Ginji. Inji. Ginger. Inji. Onions, potato and ginger are underground stems. Don't make mistake. Underground stems. Underground stems. What are underground stems? They are growing under the soil. Onions, ginger and potato are not roots. Don't make mistake. They are underground stems we eat. Then here you can see leaves of plant. See cabbage, spinach and mint. Mint, pudina. Spinach, what? Chira. Cabbage, you know. All and coriander leaves we are making. We are using to make salads. So all these are leafy vegetables we are eating. So we are eating roots, underground stems and leaves as our food. All these we get from where? From where we are getting all these? Yes, we are getting all these from plants. Okay. The next, fruits and nuts. Different types of fruits and nuts we are using. And we eat fruits like apple, banana, pear, guava, mangoes, pineapples and oranges. All these fruits we are eating. Fruits are good for our health. Fruits grow from flowers of the plants. This also we learned in our previous lessons. From the flowers, fruits are growing. And nuts like walnut, almond, cashew nut, all these we are eating. All these nuts and fruits we are getting from plants. See different types of nuts given here. The next, spices. We get spices like chili, mulaga, and see clove, karayambar, and pepper, kurumulaga. All these are spices. All these are spices, and we add spices to our food to make it tasty. And to make our food tasty, we are using masala. You might have heard masala, isn't it? And these are spices. Spices also we are getting from plants. Okay. Then next, oil. Different types of oil we are using in our food. Which are the oils we are using? Groundnut oil, kappalandi enna, mustard oil, kaduganna, sunflower oil, sunflower enna, and coconut oil. In our place we are using coconut oil. Mainly we are using coconut oil, and coconut oil is the best oil among all these. While heating, it is not too much harmful like this sunflower oil, mustard oil and groundnut oil. So you prefer coconut oil. Coconut oil is best for our health. Then tea, coffee, sugar and cocoa. We get tea from the leaves of tea plant. You might have seen tea gardens in Munnar, Kodaikanal, Thekadi and all in high ranges. We can see tea garden and these tea leaves are dried and in the sun, or in technical way it is dried up and powdered into tea powder. ടീ ഗാർഡനിൽ ടീയുടെ ഇല എടുത്ത് ഉണക്കി പൊടിച്ചാണ് ടീ പൗഡർ ഉണ്ടാക്കുന്നത്. കോഫി സീഡ്സ് പൊടിച്ചാണ് കോഫി പൗഡർ ഉണ്ടാക്കുന്നത്. ആൻഡ് കോഫി സീഡ്സ് ആർ crushed means powdered to make coffee powder. Sugar is made from sugarcane juice. You might have eaten sugarcane. In Malayalam we are telling കരിമ്പിൽ നിന്നാണ് ഷുഗർ ഉണ്ടാക്കുന്നത്. And cocoa is made from seeds of cocoa tree, and this is cocoa fruit. It is not familiar for all but some of you are having this in your compound, cocoa. And see, cocoa is used to make chocolates, and this also tea, coffee, and cocoa and sugar we are getting from plants. We are getting from plants. Too much sugar is not good for our health. If you are ready to avoid sugar, that is good. And use jaggery. പഞ്ചസാര ഉപയോഗിക്കാതെ ശർക്കര ഉപയോഗിക്കുന്നതാണ് നമ്മുടെ ഹെൽത്തിന് നല്ലത്. ഓക്കെ. Then next, which of the following is a dry fruit? Guava, almond, turnip. Which is a dry fruit? Almond is the answer. Then gram and black lentil are. പയറും ഉഴുന്നും എന്താണ്? Pulses. All of you mark pulses. Pulses. Then we learned we are getting fruits and nuts from plants. We are getting tea, coffee, sugar and cocoa from plants. We are getting oil from plants. We are getting spices from plants. And we are getting vegetables from plants. And we are getting cereals and pulses from plants. All these are very useful to us. Then next we are learning fibers from plants. നാരുകൾ, fibers. We are getting fibers. Among these, all cotton is very familiar for you. Cotton cloths. When do we use cotton cloths? In summer season, we are using cotton cloths. Cotton very familiar for you. And see, we get cotton and jute. Jute is a plant. Jute is a plant, and you might have seen jute bag. See, this is a bag made of jute, looking like a sack, chak volalla bag. This is jute bag. This is not harmful to use. You prefer jute bag and cotton bag instead of plastic. Plastic bags are harmful to us. So this is jute bag. So we get cotton, jute and jute from plants. We get cotton and jute from plants. Okay. Then see, these are used for making cloths, sacks and mats. And cotton and jute are used to make bag, sack and clothes. Jute silk, jute sari, all these are there. So all of you read up to this. Okay.